on, Masasamono family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. It is like 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired, not fully awake. You know how it is, you know how it goes. But yeah, I had to take out Luna. A lot of big surprises came. It was planned, however, it was unexpected. So quick update. Let me just go ahead and do my updates first. First of all, thank you guys who have been with the channel. I really do appreciate you guys, and you guys always come through in my channel and comment. Always answering any questions that you guys might have, so feel free to comment below whatever questions you might have. It is December 30th right now. I'll be uploading this tomorrow. It's been freezing cold, you guys. Here in Florida, I don't understand, like, it dropped in the 30s. I know some of you guys up north are like, oh my god, you're in the 30s. We dropped in the negative 10s and 20s and 30s and 40s. I get it, but when you live in Florida, you get accustomed to the hot weather, that humid weather, and then all of a sudden you drop to this much. You don't even have the clothes for it. Like, it's insane. And I pray for those people out in Buffalo, because I know you guys got hit hard, and some of the people up north. I got a friend of mine, he, I guess due to the weather, his pipe burst in the middle of winter. That's just insane. So all these things are just happening. It's insane. Like, I don't know, 2022 is doing the absolute most. Looking forward to 2023, even though, like I said, there's a lot to talk about. I finally got my Insta360, so I will be playing with that. However, there might be maybe a few days, let me see, there might be a few Saturdays that you might not see an upload, and that's because I have a kind of an emergency family situation without putting all my business out there. So I have to fly out to Puerto Rico. So yeah, that's probably gonna happen this coming weekend. So we shall see. It all depends. Let's go and take Luna to work. I have my vehicle in the shop currently. That's another surprise I got to show you guys. It's been crazy. But oh, heated grips are on. Let's go. As far as updates on the house, so we are in we're until in December. So next week will be in January of 2023. I did a walkthrough of the house, and I was so disappointed. I also did a walkthrough on a house that was a little more completed than mine. Well, a lot more completed than mine, and I'll showcase that here so you guys can see it. I'll upload that and showcase it. Working my way from the top down. And then this is what it's supposed to look like. This was not even completed 100% either, but this is what it's supposed to look like. So this is what my house is supposed to look like, more or less, once it's completed. That's what it's supposed to look like afterwards. Oh, this feels good. Let's go. So the house is not even ready. So I reached out to, I guess, the salesperson, builder, whatever it is. I told him, I said, I just want to confirm my move-in date for January. So finally I get a response back saying, let me check it out, and I'll hit you up as soon as I get that information for you. When he comes back, I already had a feeling, because just by looking at the house to see where it's at in the process, I was like, there's no way I'll be in this house by January. Sure enough, he came back and said it'll be ready by May, June. So yes, a whole year later. So we're still at a standstill, and I appreciate my roommate for coming in clutch. She's been amazing. With that being said, so that is the update on that. I just wanted to keep this video very short, sweet and simple with my updates. Nothing crazy. That's all I got, you guys. Thank you so much for being part of the S1000 Moto family. I appreciate every single one of you, man. All the people that have been here since day one, and all you guys that are coming in and joining in the channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for joining. And just remember, stay safe, stay humble, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.